Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский. Привет, волшебные друзья. Домашнее задание. Страница 4, 5, 6, 7. English. Starlight 2. Hello, magic friends. Homework, page number 4, 5, 6, 7. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 4. Страница 4. Hello, magic friends. Привет, волшебные друзья. Упражнение 1, страница 4. Спой песенку, повторяя движение. Hello, magic forest. Hello, magic friends. Hello, Frosty. Hello. Hello, Woody. Hello. Hello, hello, again. Hello, magic forest. Hello, Willow too. Hello, Elena, hello. Hello, Elvin, hello. Hello, hello to you. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 5, страница 5. Прослушай, поговори со своим одноклассником, как показано в образце. Hello, I'm John. Hello, I'm Anna. Hello, I'm John. Hello, I'm Anna. Hello, I'm John. Hello, I'm Anna. Hello, I'm Nika. Hello, I'm Maxim. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 6. Страничка 6. Прослушай, покажи то, что называет диктор, и повтори название за ним. Ant. Bat. Cap. Duck. Elf. Flower. Ghost. Hat. Iguana. Jaguar. Koala. Lion. Mouse. Nut. Orange. Puppet. Queen. Rabbit. Snail. Tomato. Umbrella. Violet. Wizard. Fox. Yo-yo. Zebra. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 7. Exercise number 2. Упражнение 2. Послушай песенку и спой ее. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M. I can sing the alphabet. Can you do the same? I can sing the alphabet. I've got it in my head. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.